The Battle of Al-Busayyah was a significant engagement during the Gulf War, specifically part of the ground phase of Operation Desert Storm, which took place in late February 1991. This battle illustrates the tactics and technologies employed by coalition forces, primarily led by the United States, against Iraqi forces in Kuwait and Iraq. The battle was part of a broader coalition strategy aimed at liberating Kuwait from Iraqi occupation, which had begun in August 1990. The coalition forces, comprising troops from 34 countries led by the United States, had launched a massive air campaign in January 1991, which was followed by a ground offensive in late February. Al-Busayyah is a small town in Iraq, strategically located due to its road networks, making it a critical supply route for the Iraqi forces stationed in Kuwait and southern Iraq. Securing Al-Busayyah was crucial for coalition forces to advance further into Iraqi territory and disrupt Iraqi supply lines. The main units involved in the battle were elements of the 1st and 3rd Armored Divisions of the United States Army, facing off against Iraqi forces that included infantry, mechanized units, and artillery stationed in and around Al-Busayyah. The coalition forces were equipped with advanced weaponry and armored vehicles, including M1 Abrams tanks and Bradley fighting vehicles, while Iraqi forces primarily relied on older Soviet-made tanks and armored personnel carriers. The battle commenced in the early hours, with coalition forces launching a surprise attack against Iraqi defensive positions. The use of night vision equipment and superior maneuverability allowed coalition forces to quickly overcome initial Iraqi defenses. The battle was characterized by intense tank warfare and close-quarters combat within the town. Coalition air support played a crucial role in targeting Iraqi reinforcements and command centers, significantly reducing the effectiveness of the Iraqi response. The Iraqi forces, suffering from low morale and the impact of weeks of aerial bombardment, were unable to mount a cohesive defense. The Battle of Al-Busayyah ended in a decisive victory for the coalition forces. They succeeded in capturing the town, destroying a significant portion of the Iraqi forces' military hardware, and taking numerous prisoners. The battle demonstrated the effectiveness of modern armored warfare and precision strikes, significantly contributing to the coalition's overall strategy of encircling and isolating Iraqi forces in Kuwait and southern Iraq. The success at Al-Busayyah paved the way for further coalition advances into Iraq and towards Kuwait, contributing to the eventual liberation of Kuwait and the end of the Gulf War. The battle is studied in military academies for its strategic and tactical significance, showcasing the importance of technological superiority, air-ground coordination, and the psychological aspects of warfare.